Hello everyone, welcome back to my garden. If you're new to my channel, I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to take you around my August garden and show you what's ready to harvest. But first I want to show you what I found on the other side of the fence. Now this is a huge Khodu, escaped to my neighbor's garden. Too many blackberries here. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is a massive Khodu. This is huge. I think this is going to be my biggest Khodu of the season. This is huge. That's my garden. Wow, look at this. Spiky. Oh. Need gloves to harvest this one. So spiky. Or I could just drop this one to the other side. Let me see if I can do that. Let me see if I can just hold this stem. Yep, managed. Okay, saves me coming back. Now let's go back a few days. Me and my granddaughter Elana had a huge bottle gourd harvest. Let's take a look at that before we come back to see what has changed since then. Oh, Lali's having a nap. Hi, Lali. She's resting. As you know, my chili plants are producing heavily. I made a fantastic video a few days ago. Harvested many super hot chilies and given you tips how to grow them. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure to watch that video. Oh, these eggplants. I'm going to have to harvest them. If you look at this one, it's very shiny. And this one is starting to lose its shine. This year has been fantastic for Desi vegetables here in the UK. We had about 5th heat wave in the last 2.5 months, but no rain. That was the downside to it, but it was a fantastic year for Desi vegetable. These plants like heat. I'm going to harvest this one before it loses its shine. Wow, look at the size of this one. Beautiful. These flowers are looking amazingly beautiful. Now this tomato plant is the money maker variety. I've actually planted this quite late in the season, and just in 4 or 5 weeks it has produced many tomatoes for me. And the bottle gourd plant, mashallah, looking so beautiful, still producing healthy vines. This is the chocolate color tomatoes. Absolutely delicious to eat. I think these are overripe. Should have harvested them 1 week ago. Now look what's hiding there, hiding behind the leaves. That is definitely ready for harvest. Now how do I get to that? Now most people ask me, how big is my garden? They always talk about the size of my garden. And I always tell them it's only a tiny, small backyard. It's only about 70 feet long. But I do tend to cramp many vegetable plants in the garden, and I grow many stuff in containers. Wow, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Just at the right time, I'm harvesting this. Wow. Look at this. Now this year has been a fantastic year of bottle gourd. I harvested many of them and shared many of them with my relatives, friends and families, and with my neighbors. Now I have neighbors on each side. They're from Africa and they're familiar with these vegetables, so I do share with them. Wow, beautiful. Now this is Salumra, ash gourd, also known as winter melon, and I'm getting so many of them. This is the one was growing on the other side of the fence, so I'm going to harvest this one. And this is going to be for my stir fry. This is going to be for traditional Bengali murabba. Wow, look at the size of this snake gourd. Wow, isn't that beautiful? I need a ladder to harvest this. More ash gourd growing, Salumra. Plenty of snake gourd. Look at the one over there, it's bent. I'm going to step on this one. Ah, wow. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. So this ash gourd is going to stay on the plant as long as it can until the plant dies off. So I'm going to be harvesting this in autumn. Now this you're looking at is Cape gooseberry. It's taken over my garden. I planted this for the first time. They've grown to about 8 foot tall, and look how far into my garden they have moved. But I'm going to harvest a few today and see how they taste, just to check whether they're worth it or not. Wow. So this is the one grown on my next door neighbor's garden. Wow, look at that. Perfect time to harvest if you're harvesting for curry or stir fry. So these are lantern shaped. It has a papery outer husk and the fruit goes inside it. So this is still green. You have to wait until they've turned golden color, the husk, before you can harvest them. So I can see I've got 2 of them or 3 of them, or a few actually. They're ready for harvest. And check how they taste. Wow. There's one more there. Now let's open one and see how they look inside. Wow. They look a bit like a cherry tomato. Oh, it's hot. Harvesting is not easy. Now let's try this baby. It's absolutely delicious, sweet, tangy. It has that amazing flavor to it. I've grown one plant in this container, so you can grow them in a container. It hasn't done too bad, but the ones I've grown in the ground, they've actually grown quite big and huge. They do take over your garden. I'll definitely grow them again, but in containers. Now look at this amazing looking bottle gourd. This is one of my favorite gourd. I planted this inside the greenhouse and allowed the plant to escape through the window, and it has producing many Khodus for me. They're beautiful and they taste delicious. Smells nice. I planted one pepper plant in this container here, and you won't believe how many peppers it has produced for me, and it's still producing flowers, and we are in mid-August. Look at this. So plenty of peppers. I probably harvested about 10 to 12 of them, and I've got about 10 of them on the plant. Look at the amazing flowers. Wow, beautiful. Really delightful. Karela, my wife's favorite. I do like them actually. I quite enjoy eating them. I like the distinctive bittery taste, but I like them cooking them with potatoes, so they taste less bittery. Wow, my God, so many. This one I will definitely harvest. Look at this. Amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Wow. So many. This is longer than a foot. This is longer than a foot. So I'm holding a camera in one hand and trying to harvest with the other hand. It's very difficult, so I'm going to try my best. Wow. Wow, look at that. This is definitely longer than 1 foot. Right, I'm going to harvest this one again. So, wow. Now the ashgourd plant is still very healthy, still producing healthy vines and male and female flowers. Wow, it's producing more. This plant I planted inside the greenhouse, and again allowed it to escape through the window onto this trellis here. And mashallah, it has given me so many ashgourd, probably about 14-15 ashgourd. I harvested so many of them, and I'm keeping about 5 or 6 on the plant for murabba. That's a beautiful one. Wow, here's another one, look. Look at the snake yours. Oh, amazing. Amazing year for Desi vegetable. This one I'm going to harvest. Try with one hand. Oh yes. Oh yes. Beautiful. Now look at this one. Look at this one. They're quite long. This is about 2 foot long. I'm going to harvest this one. Don't want it. Oh wow. One more there. And big one here. I planted this variety of Khodu inside the greenhouse, and would you believe it, it has produced many Khodu this size for me. I probably harvested 20 already, and I've got about 7 or 8 on the plant. And this one I will leave it on the plant for another couple of days. There's one hiding here. Look, there's one hiding here. Oh, there's one more here. Look, one more there, one more there. There's one here. And I can bet you any money there's more behind this tomato plant. Everything is overgrown inside the greenhouse now. I'm going to just leave it how it is. Just enjoy the harvest. So I'm not going to harvest anymore today. This one, I'm going to leave it. This one I'll leave it. This one I'll leave it. My Desi Khira still producing. Still producing. I'm going to harvest this one actually. And you won't believe what I found here on this, behind this container here. This is a Desi Khira plant. This plant has produced many Desi Khira for me. I harvested many. And guess what I found here? Look. Look at this. Oh wow, look at this. Now, this one I've just noticed it's been lying here. I'm going to keep this for seeds. This is amazing harvest. Look at the size of this bitter gourd, an arm length. Snake gourd, that's 1.5 arm length. Beautiful, amazing harvest. I'm going to try this Desi Khira and see how that tastes. It's nothing better than Desi Khira, especially in a hot summer day. In this heat wave, they grow really well. You just need to water them plenty. If you like the type of videos I make, please subscribe, like and share with others. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.